I'm going to give you 4 great selling tips in under 90 seconds that can make your week, your month, and hopefully your year. Okay, let's go. Number 1, be curious. Curious salespeople sell more. And the way you develop curiosity is by asking good, prepared questions. And when you get answers to those questions, you'll know how to sell to your sales prospect. But that's a good way to develop your curiosity. And ask questions upon your questions, asking your prospect to elaborate. Number 2, never forget it's always about them. It's not about you. Everybody listens to the same radio station, WIIFM. What's in it for me? Replace I have, we have, we've got with you get, you'll have. Number 3, when your prospect or your customer's lips are moving, keep yours closed. I don't care if you're in the middle of answering one of their questions. If they interrupt you, stop talking and let them speak. Nothing is more important than what they have to say. Number 4, do what you said you would do. Nothing builds trust like doing what you said you would do. And when there's trust, there's buy. No one will buy from you unless they trust you. If you said you would get a proposal to them by 9 a.m. the next morning, have that proposal prepared and ready. If you said you would get an answer to one of their sales objections, make sure you get that answer. There's 4 great sales tips for you. And I think I did it in under 90 seconds. If you found value in this video, please like it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.